What's up, Magic Mod? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this super easy, super cute pom-pom ponytail. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then stay tuned. So of course the first thing that you're going to need is a gel of your choice. I am using the Eco Styler gel, the green one, which is with aloe vera. I really like this one. I've been using it for a very long time. I like the hold that it gives me. And we're just going to use this to pull our hair back in a ponytail. And this is an ouchless band that I'll be using. And then we're just going to put our hair into a little bun, just like that. And now you're going to need a pack of Marley hair. This is, I believe this one is by Free Tress, just regular braid Marley hair in the color 1B. I'm using the entire pack. This pack is like either $2.99 or $3.99, something like that. Going to keep the rubber band on the end of it, and that is exactly how we're going to attach it around the base of our ponytail, just like that. Now when you put it on, the Marley hair will be at the bottom, so you just turn it around and move it to the top to cover your bun. And then your bun will be underneath. So now I'm just pulling out a portion of the Marley hair, and then I'm going to begin to wrap that around the base of my bun and the base of the ponytail to cover the rubber band, and also partly to hold it in place. And then I'm just going to tuck it in. You can also secure it in with a bobby pin, but because the Marley hair is kind of kinky, you don't necessarily have to have a bobby pin. And this is already super cute. I like it like this. Cute, yes. But we're going to do a pom-pom. So now you're going to need these small little rubber bands. And now we're just going to begin to put the rubber bands in. The first thing that you're going to do is kind of tuck the Marley hair around your bun. And then that at the base of your bun is where you're going to set your very first rubber band. And that will hold it in place and kind of stop your hair from showing. And just make sure you pull it through, get it as straight as possible. Now you're going to take your next rubber band and do the same thing. The pom-poms at the top, I spaced them a little bit further apart, and then as I get to the bottom, you'll see they'll begin to get closer together. And the good thing about this, guys, you can place it as close together or far apart as you like, just whatever look you're going for. There is absolutely no right or wrong way to do it. You just do what you think looks cute. Now once you get to the base, I am actually just going to cut mine off. You can add more rubber bands if you like, but I'm just going to cut it there. And then just go through and begin to puff each section fluff it to your likeness. And y'all know we gotta lay those edges. So again, I'm just taking my Eco Styler gel and creating my baby hairs or little edges wherever I want them to be. And that is it, you guys. So easy, so cute. I love this style. I want to say this took maybe 5 to 6 minutes to do. Very, very simple. And that's it. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.